How to watch live football on YouTube TV using your PS5. You can enjoy live football games on your PlayStation 5 by accessing YouTube TV, a streaming service that offers over 100 channels, including sports networks like ESPN and NFL Network. Follow these steps to set up and use YouTube TV on your PS5. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels, such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2. Install the YouTube TV app on your PS5. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store. Use the search function to find the YouTube TV app. Select the app and click Download to install it on your console. Step number 3. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app on your PS5. Sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4. Navigate to live football games. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 5. Start streaming. Select the game you wish to watch and it will begin streaming live on your PS5 connected TV.